Perfectly located in one of the nation's top master plan communities and featuring resort-style amenities, welcome to Shoreview, the perfect blend of refined and relaxed lakefront living. Shoreview is one of two neighborhoods in Waterside, featuring 246 homes, many of which will enjoy stunning lake views on two expansive lakes totaling 144 acres. Residents will also have private access to a resort-style pool, lakefront white sand beach area, fitness center, the social room and kayak launch, a fire pit, the multi-purpose turf lawn, and tennis and pickleball courts, and so much more. Waterside is Lakewood Ranch's first village in Sarasota. At Waterside, life happens around 7 pristine lakes with 20 miles of shoreline, acres of nature preserves, and a dynamic lakefront town center, excellent for taking the water taxi from the comfort of your own home. At Shoreview, you'll find there's a home for all types of lifestyles, with over 9 designs to choose from, 2 to 5 bedroom options, and ranging from 2,000 square feet all the way up to 3,900 square feet, there's a home for all. HOA will range from $300 to $400 a month, depending on the section you choose, and CDD is estimated to be around $2,000 annually. We hope you found this video valuable. We're so excited to help you find your dream home here on the beautiful Gulf Coast of Florida. Subscribe to our page on YouTube and give us a call today. It's our mission to show you what it's like to live, work, and play here in Manatee, Sarasota, and Pinellas. Our agents are excited to get to work for you.